Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody. How are y'all doing today? Yeah, it's Good Friday, everybody. Happy Friday. What's up, Damien? What's up, PTG? What's up, Crowbar? What's up, Ches? What's up, Jasmine? What's up, Futures Trade? What's up, Beyond Limits? Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Get the giveaway. Good morning, Shino fans. What's up, Stefan? There it is, giveaway. Where is it? Where'd it go? Hold on now. Alright, pin message. Sorry to hear that, Jasmine. Yeah, it sucks. You're gonna come back stronger, Jasmine. But at least you got something to halfway. Where are we? Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun. Nice, Shino fan. Great job, man. Love to hear that. Nice, John. Yeah, we are bouncing right here. We're all overall short, but yeah, we're kind of bouncing right here. Yeah. Yeah, I like the white screen when I'm trading. I've always liked it. But then everything else on my computer is all dark. Dark mode. I don't know, I like the white screen. Sorry to hear that, 444. It's all good, man. Yeah, guys, if you lost today or lost this week, just like take it easy. Just relax. Call it a week, man. Because this week was pretty tough for a lot of people. It was pretty tough price action for me too. Yeah, pretty tough today. I mean, pretty tough this week in general. What's up, Timothy? Good morning, everybody. Gandalf, yeah, you gotta be worried about these turtle soups. They're very tricky. Like right here. Look at it. It looks like it's forming a reversal. Turtle soup just dumped. That looks like exactly like a reversal and just yeeted down. Yeah, it was a rough week for me too. I had a good week last week, but I think it was last week. But this week, yeah, it's been tough. Yeah, Shino fan, it takes a long time and it's hard getting there, but yeah, once you do, it's nice, the daily payouts. Yeah, 444. Also, we had a lot of war news and all that, and oil and all that stuff, so that's something to be worried about. Just gotta adapt to these different markets. Yeah, guys, we got cooked yesterday. We got turtle souped hard. It's all good. Yeah, we're only 30 points away. Yeah, if you guys want to enter the giveaway, we're gonna spin it up at the end of stream. Let's go, John. Good luck, man. Good luck, everybody. Yeah, 444, it's just a wearing in that, and then, like, if you notice that, just, like, either size down a lot or something, or, like, just trade very small, or, like, yeah, stay cash, just don't trade. Yeah, Jacob, so, yeah, it is true, like, with the evals, yeah, it's nice to pay that cheaper price up front, because if you do blow accounts, it's very cheap, because, yeah, 20, 30 bucks for the accounts, and then you just pay $100 activation fee when you're done. But then if you're blowing a lot of evals for the other challenges, yeah, you're paying like $100 per. So it's like a fine line. Steve? No, probably not. It's all good, Kinka. Yeah, a lot of people got caught today. Yeah. Pretty rough today. Well, pretty rough this week, yeah. Yeah, a lot of people either green or a lot of people red. Great job, Josh. Let's freaking go, bro. Let's go. Congratulations, man. That's a great way to end the week, man. $600 payout. Let's go. Lock in, bro. Great job, man. What's up, Tommy? Good morning, everybody. Thank you, David. Thank you. Dun, 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 dun. 14 entries for the giveaway. Oh, yes. Yeah, great job, Josh. Congratulations. Yeah, Shino, yeah. We've been seeing a lot of ranges recently. A lot. Yeah. Yeah, Josh, keep this account alive. Keep taking daily payouts. And then use that money to fund your... what is it? Fund your other accounts. That's how you do it, yeah. Treat it like a business. Reinvest your profits. And then you grow it. Yeah, that's good, Jacob. You're still up on your live account. I mean, if you're up on your live account, that's great. I mean, that's real money. That's a real $100, Jacob, so that's good. Yeah, 444, honestly, yeah, just wait a little bit after market open, because, yeah, market open can be very tricky sometimes, honestly. It moves very fast. Very fast. Very tricky. Yeah, Josh, base hits for the win. Especially recently, I noticed my trades, when I try to go for bigger trades, they have not been working out. And I'm like, if I just locked out to 20 points, I would have been better off. Lewis, it's the pinned comment. Pinned comment. It's a Google form. Yeah, no problem, Josh. Proud of you, man. Fort Lauderdale, another giveaway. Yeah, shout out to MyFundedFutures, guys. They gave us 15 free accounts to give away this week, so that was awesome. We gave 5 on Tuesday, 5 yesterday, and then 5 today. That'd be a great way to end the week. Oh yeah, Trip Voids. Yeah, when you see like a good setup and then you enter right away and you get stopped out instantly, it's so annoying. You're tilted, you're pissed off. You're like, what the heck? And then you see it run in your favor. Then you're even more pissed. It's a recipe for disaster. What's up, Grizz? No trades yet. Yeah, Josh, base hits have been winning recently, especially, yeah. They stack, yeah. So low-key, I might have to start doing base hits, honestly. Yeah, if you guys enter for the giveaway this week, re-enter again. This is a new form. Yeah, new form. If you want to give away this week, we'll have to give it to someone else. So if you did win and you're watching, just don't enter. Yeah, we're just gonna give it to someone else. So, but if you do enter and you win, we're just gonna give it to someone else as well. So there's no point in entering if you won already this week, because I want to give like everyone a fair shot and fair chance. So 1 account max per person this week, because 15 free accounts, 15 people. That's nice. I don't want to give someone just like 2 or 3 accounts. Yeah, if you entered a giveaway this week, enter again if you haven't won. But what I like is with these live streams, it's only for this one and yesterday, it was only for the people that are in the live stream. So I like that because you guys always support me and watch the channel and just live stream. So gotta support you guys back. You guys have a better chance of winning. It's like a 5% chance, because we get around we got around 110 entries yesterday. And then my normal giveaways, I get like over 300. So that's a big difference. Great job, Tommy. Yeah, that's a great way to end the week, and you got some payouts. Thank you, Josh. Yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, guys, and use my affiliate code. We can keep doing these free live streams, free giveaways, all that. Yes, sir. Yeah, Fort Lauderdale. Yeah, I am not going back to options as well. Yeah, it's a big difference. I love the futures trading and prop firms. Well, especially futures trading in general. I feel like it's real trading. Because with options, you don't have to deal with all those variables and theta decay, time decay, IV crush. It's like if you're up on the trade and it goes back to your... We just got a big red candle coming in. If it goes back to your break-even price, your down money. Yeah. Options is good when you get the move quickly in your favor. But then again, it's like, how often do you do that? Oh, 100% Shino fan. Especially with trailing drawdown. Yeah, base hits add up real quick. Real quick. Yeah, internet. Yeah, if you guys, this is a new form giveaway, new form. So if you entered this week, enter again if you haven't won. If you won, just don't enter. But yeah, if you didn't win this week, it's a new form, new form. But that's good, internet, that you're getting all this stuff got out. You can go to Hawaii soon, brother. God bless you, Josh. Yeah, God bless, guys. Yeah, I'm fasting right now, guys. I'm fasting. I'm just on coffee and water. What's up, Abdul? What's up, man? 100%, Josh. 100%. No, it's okay, Timothy. It's okay. No, it's okay. If you win again, we'll just give it to someone else. But yeah, congratulations, Timothy. He won yesterday, guys. He was one of the winners yesterday. Yeah, so congrats, Timothy. Fort Lauderdale, are you using multiple firms or just one firm, Fort Lauderdale? Nice, Akash. Yeah, we're fasting today. Yeah, no meat. No meat. We're allowed to have fish and shrimp and like crustaceans, but I don't know what I'll eat tonight. I don't know, we'll figure it out. The first week I had a salad. Last week I had avocado toast, like with sourdough. That was pretty good. That was actually pretty good. I feel like I was on Love Island. Because for breakfast, all they freaking have is like avocado toast every morning. And eggs or something. So I had avocado toast. It was actually really good. Josh, you can request it end of day once your account updates. And then since it's a Friday, you'll probably get it approved. Probably on Sunday, maybe Monday morning. But you should get it done in the bank because it's a Friday. But they might approve it sooner. I'm not sure, but definitely by Sunday night or Monday morning, Josh. Nice, Chaz. Good job, man. Yeah, Fort Lauderdale, if you're using two firms, then yeah, I use Tradesyncer. But yeah, if you're using only one firm, I just use the built-in copier. It works fine. But yeah, Fort Lauderdale, if you're using multiple firms, yeah. Damn. Moneymaker, that's a massive swing. That's a very impressive swing. 40, because you're only $140 from blowing the account to being up almost $3,000. Dude, that's a win. That's a massive win. Call it a day. David, yeah, lobsters. Josh, something I'll do. I used to do a lot of intermittent fasting. Like I would not eat till like 3, 4 o'clock p.m. like every day. But then recently I've been eating breakfast, just like a small one. But since it's Lent, during Lent, yeah, I'm just fasting on Fridays. But recently, yeah, I've been eating like just like a small breakfast, like 3 to 4 eggs and like 4 ounces of grilled chicken with some fruit. It's like 350 calories, 400 calories. Pure protein. Yeah, Vivian. Yeah, the sourdough with avocado, sunny side egg up. If you add like a little chili pepper too, like those chili pepper flakes, it's pretty good too. Especially when it's like a toasted sourdough, so you get that crunch. Nice, Steve. Great job, man. Yeah, TakeProfitTrader, the dashboard update's a little later, but it's okay. You get it pretty quick. Ivan, yeah, it's up to you, man. Yeah, because they have the new end of day, but you guys got to pay taxes on your prop firm accounts. Some people have to pay. You guys have to pay taxes on it. I don't have to pay taxes when I buy that prop firm account. Like the TakeProfitTrader is like the 50K account is like $102 total. Like no activation fee, no tax on the eval. Great job, Will. Nice, man. First payout of the year. Let's go. Yeah, Will. I heard the Lucid payouts are really, really fast. Yeah, Ivan. Yeah, the TakeProfitTrader accounts are nice. That's right there, Josh. Yeah, you guys want to enter the giveaway, enter the giveaway. Yeah, we got 38 entries. Nice, Josh. Yeah, I don't get any. I'm in California, and California has horrible tax. But I don't pay taxes on mine. But if I, like, buy something else, like, from, like, a clothing store, yeah, I get charged tax. It's around, like, 9-10%, I think. But, dude, if I was paying that on prop firms, that would add up really quick. I mean, 5 TakeProfitTrader, that's an extra $50. That's a lot. Yeah, that's a lot. Nice, Ivan. Hey, green is green, man. Green is green. Payout is a payout. Payouts are payouts, guys. Well, alright, here's what we've been seeing a lot recently. So, we see a big move in a direction. Recently bullish, but recently, this week, we've been seeing a big move to the downside, and then it forms a bottom area, and then it looks like it's going to make a reversal. It could form a bottom range, again, or it could make a reversal up, or it could go lower. Right now, we're kind of just playing ping pong right here again. And it's usually around this time when we start to stream. So, if it respects the range, we could trade the range. What's wrong, Sketch? Montgomery? End of stream. We'll pick the winners live on the end of stream. We'll do it on the wheel of spins. Hey, God bless you, Internet. Yeah. MyFundedFutures Rapid accounts, guys, is basically like TakeProfitTrader, but better, honestly, because you get a 90-10 profit split. You can pass in 2 days. Daily payouts. And they're having a sale at $97. Yeah, that's the cheapest they ever been. I think they were like 127 or something after the discount. Yeah, I'll try that odds. I'm just gonna figure out when I'm gonna do that. I'll figure out when to do that. Stefan, I still take the good trades, just more size. I'm not just like going all in, you know, just hoping. Same setups, just more leverage. Yeah, Kinko, yeah. We'll do the giveaway probably around like 11, 10:45, 11 PST. But you don't have to be in the live stream for the giveaway. If you won, you'll still get the account. As long as you fill out the form and follow the rules. Follow the rules, and yeah. Yeah, we got 43 responses. Yesterday we got like 110, 111 or something. The question is here, guys. Are we playing ping pong here? Scalp-a-delp. Sorry to hear that, Sketch, man. Sketch, you just gotta learn to stop, man. I know it sucks, but like you just gotta learn to take what you get. I mean, if you're up today on a Friday on all your fundeds, I mean that's a great way to end a week. Good luck, Josh. Nice, Tommy. Yeah, the Lucid payouts are fast. Trade 5 micros on the 50Ks. Sketch, you just gotta take the payout, man. Even if it's a small payout, like those add up really quick, especially on multiple funded, man. Yeah, it does take people years. But like, Sketch, if all you did was literally stop when you're up and like lock in for the payout, like I don't know, get like the winning days or something, you know, you'd be in a way better spot, you know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to be mean or anything, I'm just trying to, you know what I'm saying, just trying to help you guys. Yeah, Ivan, yeah, it's nice. You had a manual lockout. The only thing I don't like is that it locks all the accounts, but other than that, it's pretty good. Yeah, you can like set whatever you want to do. Yeah, Sketch. Maybe use the lockout feature, man. Use this lockout too, if you're up. But yeah, Sketch, yeah, the small payouts add up, yeah. Like, think about it, Sketch. If you're not getting payouts and then you get a couple payouts, you know, you're top of the 1%. That's why I like trading, you know? Like the statistics for trading prop firms, they said like less than 5% pass the eval, the challenge, and like less than 1% actually get a payout, which is pretty crazy if you think about it. That's really low statistics, like really bad. Like, yeah, that's great that you passed the account, but if you're not getting payouts, it's like you're losing money still, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, if you guys get payouts, you know, you're the top few percent, because not a lot of people can get there. Vivian, they're really fast. I requested at 9, and it's already in my wallet the next morning on a weekday. Weekends, you'll probably update it by like Sunday or Monday morning. Sunday night, Monday morning. They're really fast. I only use Tradesyncer if I'm copy trading multiple firms. If I'm using one firm at a time, I'll just use the free copy trader because it works fine. I only use it if I'm, yeah, copy trading other firms. Nice, Vivian. See, that's discipline, yeah. The lockout feature, it makes you like force lockout. So that's good, guys, yeah. Get a new wife is crazy. Well, yeah, Sketch, if you just lock in and get those payouts, you know what I'm saying, you can be on the top dog, you know? Top few percent. Guys, I think less than, 5% actually pass the eval. Less than 1% get a payout. And then I think it's like less than like what 0.1% actually make it to a live account. I think. What do you guys know the live account statistic? What? Okay, well, this is just an AI overview. I said, what is the statistic on people getting payouts with prop firms? It says payout rate, only about 4 to 7% of all users usually receive a payout, which I'm pretty sure it's it's lower than that. I think that's a passing rate. Passing rate, 5 to 14%. Like, again, I think it's lower. Total failure rate, 80 to 90% of traders fail to complete the challenge. I mean, yeah, trading's hard, guys. Trading's hard. What's up, Nian? Yeah, 100% lower than 5% for a payout. 100%. Yeah, guys, that's why we're here. We're all trying to get better one day at a time and become part of the top 1%. That's why we're here, guys. What's up, Sovereignty? Because we know the potential. We know the potential with these prop firms, guys. I know, it's crazy. But a lot of it comes down to risk management, discipline, and self-control and awareness. It's literally you versus you. That's what I like about trading. It's literally you versus you game. Or a new 30-minute candle. 53 people entered the giveaway. Make sure to enter the giveaway, guys. We'll do it at the end of the stream. Gandalf, yeah, guys, you're right. Never in my life would I think I'd be going to Harvard. Yeah. If you pass a prop firm and get a payout, guys, you know, not a lot of people get there. So that's a big accomplishment. So I'm very proud of you guys saying that you're getting your first payouts, or you're getting multiple payouts. Like, yeah, you guys are top percent. You're getting there, guys. Feels good, yeah. And if you haven't gotten there, guys, keep going, keep learning from your mistakes, growing 1% better every single day. Ha! Yeah, deals. Yeah, if you trade turtle soup, 100% win rate. No, you gotta say 99.999% win rate. Dr. Casinator. Hello, Harvard Casinator. Yeah, I'm a Harvard graduate, yeah. It's Top Step certified, buddy. Guys, you see this? Yeah, top of the top 5% right here. Yeah, you see this? Hey, you have like a business application? Yeah. Oh, dude, if you go to Harvard, if you're trying to like go into Harvard, you go like, yeah, like, oh my gosh, is that a Top Step certificate? You're like, yeah. Officially funded certified trader, buddy. You're like, oh my gosh, let's get you in right away. Keep jabbing, guys. Keep jabbing. Yeah, guys, you can't fail if you don't quit. Like, damn, cat hair or something on me. You guys can't fail if you don't quit. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you gotta really read the rules and all that. You gotta find a prop firm that fits your style. That's why I like them. There's multiple options, guys. Eddie, if you're a live trader with Top Step, oh my gosh. Dude, you probably get a private jet, private lounge. The best of the line service. A dinner with Mike. If you get a live account payout, dinner with Michael Patak. A nice steak dinner with Michael Patak. Oh yeah, guys, if you don't like the payout caps, you can also get multiple accounts. That is true. That is true, guys. Gandalf? Yeah, that method works every time, guys. Great job, Gandalf. Yeah, the cop pulls you over. He's like, license and registration. All you do is show him the Top Step certificate. He's like, oh my gosh, I am so sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Just please go ahead. Keep going. Sorry for your troubles. You're like, yeah, that's what I thought, buddy. Top Step certified, buddy. Yeah, Timothy, we went live with MyFundedFutures. That was pretty nice. We got like $9,500 in payouts on that one account. Damn, I gotta get that shit back. But then I played it really dumb. I started over trading and over leveraging. Not a good mix, especially on a live account. Then I ended up losing that account. 100% my fault. 100%. But yeah, we still get a live account with MyFundedFutures, and we still got, yeah, $9,500 payout. That was pretty nice. That was really nice, actually. Nice, Akash. Nice. Yeah, Traders for Life. You're the only one that didn't get the account. I emailed you, but it said that the email wasn't active. Traders for Life. Traders for Life. DM me on Instagram or Discord. Casinatortrades. Traders for Life. Yeah, I tried emailing you, but they said there was no account with that email. Akash, I just use simple strategies. Like, literally just simple stuff. Hey, what's up, Tushar? Best microman. Well, Ivan, if you're driving Uber Eats and, you know, a $2,000 payout is a lot of money if you think about it on a 50K account. You know, if you have to drive Uber Eats to get to buy the challenges, Ivan, a $2,000 payout is a lot of money, man. Honestly, that'll help you. That's literally 20 50K challenges right there on one payout. So think about it like that, Ivan. Like, think about how many hours you have to drive to make that $2,000 on Uber Eats. Think about it. Like, a lot of hours, probably. No problem, Traders for Life. Oh, yeah. Turtle soup, guys. Turtle soup. Turtle soup. False breakout. Yeah, this is weird. Yeah. Tricky price action this week. Aspiring Trader, good morning. Karthik? I don't know. Definitely on my options trading day because that was real cash. 100%. Booty holes? $2,000 an hour? That's a good deal. Good luck, Damien. 120 hours, Ivan, to get $2,000. You gotta think about it in that perspective, Ivan. So think about, don't even, bro, $2,000 payout. That's a lot of money. That's 120 hours of your life that you don't have to drive Uber, man. And then if you really not happy with that money, you know, you could just get like 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts. You know what I'm saying? So 120 hours, damn. Holy crap, that's how many? That's like 3 full weeks, 8 hours a day. Yeah, I mean that's a big difference, man. Take that money, even if it's a $500 payout, take it. What's up, Brandon? What's up, brother? Tillian, yeah. UCSF, nice, bro. Nice. Bay Area. Traders for life. It's just casinatortrades. No caps, no nothing else, just casinatortrades. Yeah, Josh, that's a great way to end the week, man. First payout in 2 years. That must feel great, man. Dude, it looks like we're keep trying to break out, but then we just keep rejecting and falling right back into the range. Very interesting. Very tricky. Because these are big pullbacks. I mean, that's a 40, 50 point pullback. I don't know, Ivan. Because if you do activate them, you already have 3 funded. But if you buy the 3 TakeProfitTrader, you have to pass them again. So I don't know, maybe the Apex? I'm not sure, Ivan. It depends on you. Dude, it looks like we're really trying to break out of here, but it keeps doing these pullbacks, man. It is forming higher lows right here. Echo Trader Pro, we actually, yeah, we did. God bless, Josh. I'd love to hear that, man. Yeah, man, trading's hard, guys. It's a big journey. A lot of ups and downs. Definitely a lot of downs in the beginning, man, but we know the life that can create. Okay. We're gonna do a poll again. Alright, where are we going? Are we choppish, bullish, or rangish? Rangish is like the same thing as choppish. $70 entries, 70 entries. Oh yeah, no. That's why I say trading's not for everybody, honestly. It takes a very small group of people to actually like do this for a living or something. It's very hard. Like mentally, everything. But we know the power of it. If you have the mindset and willpower and everything, discipline, I think it'll be worth it. Yeah, imagine just trading for your laptop like anywhere you go. Just having that skill. That'd be pretty sick. Like, I traded at a few coffee shops before, like in the morning. Like I used to go to like a coffee shop and trade. It's pretty nice. One day I made like $3 grand, and I was like sipping on coffee at the shop. I was like, dude, this is sick. I was like vibing. I was like listening to music. I was like, yeah. $35% bullish, 18% bearish, 44% rangish. Yeah, we've been seeing this recently. We saw this yesterday. We saw this yesterday, guys. Yeah, you gotta be very patient, disciplined, willpower, following your rules. A lot of it is just like us self-sabotaging ourselves. Like, we know it's bad, but like our emotions get the best of us. Echo Trader Pro, maybe, yeah. Josh, I'm almost at 120k. Yeah, we're almost at 120k. Dude, it's gonna be a long journey. But it's gonna be worth it. Tillian, it's not bad. It's not bad. Yeah, I haven't traded at a coffee shop in a while because I literally trade now, like on the live streams. What is these candles, dude? But yeah, when I used to trade at a coffee shop, it actually wasn't bad. It's kind of nice. I just had the MacBook. And since I had one screen, I was like really focused. Like, I wasn't looking at this screen at all. I was just staring at this one screen. I was like really dialed in. Thank you, Josh. No, we did it before. We can get a lot of payouts. I mean, we got 300 grand in payouts in 2024. I still don't know how I did that, honestly. So I mean, and I'm a lot more disciplined than I was 2024. So my risk management got a lot better. So I think it's just about like scaling, maybe. Yeah, we seen this bottom range, and then it was like falling right back into the bottom part yesterday. Like, this literally looked like it was gonna break out right here. Turtle soup, false breakout. Come right back down. PTG, you're up on your fundeds, man, and your live account. That's a win. It's okay if you lost some accounts. You're still like close to another 40 grand payout, bro. That's great. Chance, I think Johnny Knoxville's in the chat. He's trying to prank us, man. I didn't know Johnny Knoxville was a market maker. Nice internet. The army? Hey, you're not going out here, buddy. Bam. Yeah, Bam. Wee Man is also part of the Tiny Scalps. Preston. Can't forget Preston. We could see a nice Preston drop to the downside. A big drop. Preston. Okay, I want to see if it wants to break the low day or bounce here again. It did bounce here a couple times. But I would like to get out of this area. Wee Man. Wee Man is crazy. Wee Man. That guy's funny. They're all funny. Wee Man. Yeah, that show was really fun, guys. Johnny Knoxville, Steve-O. Yeah, I used to watch that a lot growing up. My dad would have all the DVD sets, and we would all watch it. Guys, we have 30%. We're pretty much even. 30% bullish, 27% bearish, 42% range-ish. Guys, it's like literally bouncing at the bottom again. I think... I don't know. I might have to just play the range again. Back in my day, yeah. Good times, good times. Yeah, ES. Looking at it right now. ES and Nvidia look exactly the same on the chart. Same with NQ. Right now we're just holding this bottom right here. Bro, what? Bro. Bro, Robinhood. You did 17 responses, buddy. I can see you doing multiple responses. You're not going to be entered in the giveaway, brother. Come on, buddy. 17 responses? Come on. Different usernames? Sorry, buddy, but you can't enter the giveaway now, man. It's only one entry per person. We said that numerous times, man. 17 entries is crazy. Come on, man. Now I gotta delete all of them. 17? Come on, buddy. Dude. 17? That's... Come on. Now I gotta delete them all, man. Come on. Straight to the gulag, out of here, buddy. Sorry. Dude, I literally looked at the giveaway, 17 entries. Come on. Nah, everyone else is 1. Come on, you gotta keep it. Come on. I can see you guys doing numerous entries, dude. Come on. Come on. Now I gotta delete them all at the end. You guys, this is what I say. 1 entry per person. It saves a lot of time. And if you're doing multiple entries, you're not gonna get entered anyway. So it's a loss-loss situation. Straight to the gulag, buddy. No questions asked. I said no questions asked. Fair and square. Everyone else did 1 response. So thank you guys. Make my life easier. Come on. 17, buddy. Come on, now you're being a little greedy, buddy. 17? I mean, if you have 17 entries in a 100-person giveaway, yeah, you have like a 1 in 5 chance of winning. I mean, but come on, we gotta delete them all now. 17? Everyone was straight yesterday, so thank you for that. Damn. Yeah, here's the form, guys. Here's the form. $17 is crazy. The highest someone did multiple entries on was 7. And that was a lot. And I had to delete all them. Probably a lot, David. Probably all of them, honestly. Yeah, Ani was 2 times away from winning, very close, but it kept spinning. Dude, the wheel of spin can get you guys, man. Oh man, Ani's gonna crash out. Dude, you were so close on the first one, Ani. You were literally like 1 tick away, I think.
Order filled.
I'm gonna play the range. It keeps rejecting off here and bouncing right here. So, if all setting goes, we're just gonna play the range. Yeah, Alejandro, they TakeProfitTrader freaking kicked me off the affiliate damn team, so my code is not active at the moment. So stupid. They literally notified me like 2 hours ago. Hey, sorry, you're kicked off the affiliate team. Great. Well, I'm contesting it. I'm messaging them back, cause I honestly don't think they know about my channel, cause I never talk to them, so I don't even think they know about my channel that I live stream. So I messaged them and hopefully we can get it back. It was so dumb. Yeah, get out of here, straight to the gulag, buddy. No questions asked. Nice, Damien. Yeah, that was a nice long right here. Yeah, these are like just straight up bouncing right there. Yeah, hopefully TakeProfitTrader allows me back on the affiliate team, man, so we can keep doing giveaways with them. But if they don't, then I can't do giveaways with them. So yeah, I got that email this morning. I was pretty annoyed. I was like, damn. After all the time I spent with you guys, you just gotta kick me off like that. 17 points. 20 points. Lower our stop. Break even. $40 points.
Order filled.
Trim 4 Michael's here, got 3 left. Hey, buddy. Nice. Champions. Let's go. Locked in champions. 45 points. 50 points. Yeah.
Order filled.
Let's go. That was a nice 50-point trade. That was a very quick 50-point trade. We're just playing the range. $500. That was pretty good. That was a really good trade. That was very quick. Pro Rawa, you added another response, buddy. What the heck? 18 now? Come on. Come on, man. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Yeah, that was a nice trade. Sorry, guys. I was a little tilted earlier this morning, honestly. I haven't got tilted in a while. But yeah, that was a nice trade. Yeah, I noticed yesterday we had a payout locked in, guys. But like I said, it was like for example, I shorted right here and I was up to like right here. That's why I didn't sell. I had a $300 payout locked in, but like I said, it's just unrealistic for me to get a full exit right there when the full range has an extra big gap. Like an extra 40, 50 points. That's why I didn't sell in that first trade or second trade yesterday or something. But yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, champions. Yeah, so we're not going to be greedy and just get a full lockout. We learned that we need to be scalping recently. We can't really hold our winners that often. We got a new hour in a minute 20. Wow. You guys see that red candle? Yeah, that was a good trade. Wow. Let's see if it wants to bounce here again. I'm going to stay out of the trade right now because we got a new hour and 45 seconds. Yeah, look, that would have smacked the TP if we did a full held, but like I said, I'm not going to be greedy. $500 is still a good trade. Yeah. I mean, guys, that was a perfect entry. That would have been a 70 point trade. But like I said, I'm not going to be greedy. I'm pretty happy with where we got. Yeah, I mean, you got to put it in that perspective, man. That's what I'm saying. Like, a $2 grand payout is a lot of money for you, bro. Honestly, Ivan, that's a lot of money. That's 3 full weeks of work, full time, man. That's a lot of your time back just on one payout, you know what I'm saying? Alright, we got the new hour right here. Hey, what's up, Georgina? Miss you too, man. How you doing, brother? Yeah, Beyond Limits, get a stab in. Guys, I think we might just be playing the range, and look, he might just like do a false breakout again, and then pop right back up and go to the top of this range right here. Maybe. What's up, Kirk? Doing good, man. How you doing? Nice, Beyond Limits. Yeah, we're having massive range today. Thanks, Georgina. I mean, this is a big range. I mean, these are 50, 70 point trades. Dude, I kind of want a long right here, but I don't know. I feel like I might get stopped out. I don't know. If I don't know, I think I should probably stay cash at the moment. Yeah, guys, enter the giveaway. 1 response per person. Keep it fair and square. So if we have 92 minus the 18. 74, guys, 74. So if you guys want to enter the giveaway, we're going to spin it up. Just fill out that form, guys. We got 111 people watching. That's an extra 40 entries, possibly. 5 free accounts. We gave away 10 this week already. Guys, do you think it's just going to, like a red to green flip again? We've seen that before. Like a red to green, just, like, fall right back into the range. What's up, Crash Games? How you doing? Good afternoon, good morning, good night, wherever you are. We got people watching around the world. It's pretty cool. So, yeah, hello. Thank you. Dude, there's a lot of fight right here. But, like, we've just seen it, like, bounce right here and just fall right back up. That's what I'm thinking it might do. But I know the second I enter a long, it's going to make a new low and stop me out. I think the market makers guys they're out to get us, man. First they were hunting our stops, now they're crashing our streams, and now they're messing up the giveaways. Like, what the heck? This is ridiculous. Nvidia and ES are just chilling at the lows right now. So is NQ. We're just chilling right here. I don't know. Doing good, Crash. Doing good. Hope you're doing well as well. We did make a new low on this candle. But like I said, we've been seeing false breakouts and just fall right back in the range. Yeah, this is a very tricky market, guys. Yeah. Well, the reason I would want to take another trade is because we're only $84 away from the buffer. So if we make a good profit on the next trade, we can get a payout. Hey, we gotta get our lick back with TakeProfitTrader. They want to kick us off the affiliate team. No way. We gotta get some payouts, guys. Unreal. They don't want the giveaways. They don't want people getting the discount, man. Come on. Guys, it's kind of bouncing right here again. I don't know. Yeah, a lot of people got chopped up this week. Me too. This was a pretty tough week, honestly. A lot of fake outs, a lot of ranges, a lot of chop. Yeah, we gotta get our lick back with TakeProfitTrader. But I messaged them, so hopefully they'll bring me back. I mean, because like I said, I don't think they know about... I don't talk to them. People think I'm like messaging these propfirms and like, hey, when's the best discount is going on? Hey, can I do this? Hey, I don't talk to TakeProfitTrader. I never talked to the owner at all, ever in my life. So I don't think they even know about my channel. They don't even know about the live streams. Yeah, I live stream Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. PST, Crash. No, they just randomly cut out a bunch of affiliates, and one of them was including me, because they wanna niche it down to like bigger, I don't know, bigger people, or they want to get rid of the smaller affiliates, I guess. I don't know, but they're saying they want to change their program or something. But I mean, they're still legit. They still pay out, but it was kind of dirty for me because I've been very loyal to them, and they're a great firm. So I'm like, yeah, promote them, and we can give giveaways. But now I'm like, well, shit. I got the email this morning, then I got pretty tilted. I was like, what the heck? After all I've done for you, TPT. Doing me dirty. Yeah, Elkings, yeah, it was weird. I don't know. They just randomly cut me off. But like I said, I don't think they know about me, and I emailed them back saying like, hey, you know, like I do live streams and stuff, because like I said, I don't think they know about my channel, really. Yeah, future strategist. MyFundedFutures did that actually last year. Yeah. They cut me off. They cut me off as an affiliate, and then I messaged them back, and they brought me back on. So thank you for them. But they did cut off a lot of the people. Yeah, they did cut me off as an affiliate, but I messaged them like, hey, blah blah blah, this blah blah, and they let me back on, and they're giving me and they're still a legit firm, and they're giving me accounts to give away, so it's nice. No, yeah, I think a lot of firms are doing that now. Like they want to cut off all the smaller affiliates or something. Allegedly, I don't know. Guys, what did I say? It's gonna fall right back into range. False breakout, fall right back into the range. Hey, relax, Crash. I'm gonna ban you if you don't stop, buddy. All right, buddy. You better stop. I'm gonna ban you. No spamming like that. Yeah, relax, Crash. Relax. You don't need to spam. I was about to ban you right there, buddy. I know Uzbekistan is a country, but I just know it's a country. I don't know anything about it. Yeah, I think a lot of the firms, yeah, they're like trying to cut off the smaller affiliates and only like bring like the bigger ones. I don't know. I really don't know. They wanted people. I don't know. Like I said, I literally have no idea. What do you mean Uzbekistan? I know it's a country, but that's all I know. I don't speak the language or anything. Do I play casino? Who is this guy? Alright. Straight to the gulag. Get him out of here. Out of here. Oh my gosh. Hey, we gave him a fair warning, man. Sorry, Crash. Sorry, not sorry. I don't know what's going on with those spams, man. You can't be spamming like that. I already warned you, buddy. No, I don't know Uzbekistan, but I know Nasdaqistan. 2 to 3 years in Nasdaqistan and forget. What a very interesting stream, guys. This is a very interesting Friday. Oh my goodness. What an interesting stream. Yeah, it's Nasdaqistan. Yeah. Instead of Dagestan, we're going to Nasdaqistan. Yeah. Thank you. No, but yeah, like I said, I don't think Take Profit. Yeah, they don't know about my live streams or they don't know about my channel, so that's why I think they just cut me off. They're like, we don't know who this guy is. Hey, do you go to Uzbekistan and casino there? What? What? What kind of stream is going on here? Oh yes, Money Dash. Oh yes. Yeah, I'm pretty happy here in the U.S. I'm gonna stay here. I like it here. Yeah, don't be going to the bars there. You don't know what who's putting what in your drink. Gosh. Damn, longs would have played out well. But anyway, guys, it's Happy Friday, Good Friday. We had a few hiccups in this stream, but hey, we're still alive. We're still doing well. We're doing a giveaway. It's gonna be all right. All right. Yeah, I literally was like, I want to take a long, but I was like, the second I know I enter, I'm gonna get stopped out and make a new low. Fell right back into the range. Steve, that would be nice, yeah. Hey, right on, Miguel. Good job, man. Great job. Nice, Miguel. Damien, maybe in a future video, like a main video. Casinator tattoo collection. I've always dreamed of being like a tattoo collector, like travel around the world and get tattoos from like really good artists from around the world. And I'm still actually kind of doing that. I don't know. But right now, I have no desire for another tattoo. I kind of want a small detail, like a small one, like not big, because all my tattoos are kind of big. I kind of want a small tattoo, just like really detailed. I don't know. But then I'm like, I have no idea where I want to put it on my body, and I'm like, I have no idea where I want to get. And those are two big things that you need to know in tattooing, because you can't just be like, oh, I want to change it here or something. Let's see if it wants to reject here again. We took a nice 50-point short right here. Nasdaq, yeah, NQ. Get NQ tattooed on your body. Oh, yeah.
Order filled.
I'm going to short here again, honestly. It's just forming a range, and when I hesitate on the range, I get clapped. Because I'm right, and then it moves in my favor. But I know when I say that, I'm going to jinx myself. Knock on wood, let's not that happen. But we took a nice short right here. Caught a nice short to the downside. And, yeah. Nothing fancy. We're literally just playing the range. Oh, yeah. 70-point TP. No, I got my ass tattooed. My ass is tattooed. That's for the after party. $20 points. Focus. We gotta focus. Okay, same situation like we were in yesterday. I was up $200-300 above the buffer, but like I said, this is literally the start of the range, so I'm missing out on a lot of profit if I don't try to let it run. That's why I'm not selling. I'm not trying to be greedy or anything. I'm just speaking facts. It doesn't make sense to have 10, 20-point winners when my stop losses are like that. You know what I'm saying? So that's why. I don't know. Should we take the payout? Gotta get our lick back.
Order filled.
Alright, trim 4 micros there again. Nice. Stop loss to break even. Yep. To the downside. champions.
Order filled.
Whatever. That was a nice trade. 310 times 0.8. I mean, we have a $248 payout locked in. I think we low-key might just gotta take it, guys, honestly. Yeah, should we just lock it in, honestly? It's coming right back to our entry. This happened exactly yesterday. We didn't take the payout, and then we ended up losing on the day. That was a big swing. Yeah, honestly, guys, yeah, I'm just gonna call it on this account. We can work on the challenges. I need to work on the challenges, actually. Boom! Let's go. Okay, yeah, we took a nice short right here. Nice 50-point drop to the downside. And then another nice short right here. We're just playing the range, guys. Literally no fancy strategy. Shorting the tops. Dude, that was a nice long at the bottom, but I'm not gonna be greedy. Yeah. No, yeah, you guys are right. Yeah, there's a $248 payout locked in. Guys, all we have to do is stop. That's literally all we have to do. Nice, our trader. The pub. Cheers. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Yeah, we're gonna be disciplined and lock it in because if I lose this payout and lose again, I'm gonna be pretty tilted. So yeah, we're gonna be disciplined and just lock it in. Nice. Yeah, guys, we took this one account, this TakeProfitTrader Pro account, from $2, guys, to $2,000 in payouts now. This will be like almost $2,000 in payouts. It's like $1,900 now or something. No, actually, I might be $2,000. Yeah, I think we're at $2,000. Yeah, so guys, this account was $2 from being blown. Now we took it to the buffer and got $2,000 in payouts. Yeah, you guys are right. Yeah, $248. That's a half a month's worth of groceries right there, guys. This is 2 weeks worth of groceries for me. Yeah, we gotta lock it in, guys. Be disciplined. We're up 900 on the day. Yeah, we'll call it. We'll work on these challenges. I need to get these challenges passed. Yeah, Jacob, the TakeProfitTrader, they're pretty nice. The daily payouts, they're literally like cash ATMs. That's why I really like them. Till they did me dirty this morning. Unreal. Unfreaking real. Yeah, we're gonna lock out. Yeah. Yeah, guys, guaranteed payout. All you have to do, guys, is stop. We just gotta stop. That's literally it. Yeah, Damien, yeah. I think we're good. Yeah, we're good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Thank you, Damien. Just gotta be sure. 50 ball. Yeah, guys, look, this is a good range, though. This is a good range. This is a 30 to 70 point trades. These add up. Yeah, Money Dash. Yeah, I'll fix that if they don't put me back. I obviously can't be promoting them anymore if they kick me out the affiliate team. But like I said, it was very random. Literally this morning, you just got an email saying, "Hey, you're kicked off the affiliate team." I'm like, well, great. Then I got really tilted after. I was like pretty pissed off. I was like, what the heck? But I'm messaging them and like I said, I don't think they know about me. Tonight's the night, Ani. Tonight. Yeah, let's get it beyond limits. Triple four. It'll be end of stream. Yeah. If you guys want to enter the giveaway, enter it with this form. No, Cody. No, you're 100% right, Cody. Yeah, no, the MyFundedFutures Rapid is, yeah, they're pretty nice. They're really good. They're a 90-10 split, and you can pass in 2 days. So, no, the MyFundedFutures Rapid accounts are very nice. That's why we're giving away 15 this week. They're good accounts. People are saying those accounts are a scam, but it's like, dude, they're literally like they're literally the TakeProfitTrader, but a little better. They're calling the trailing drawdown a scam, and I'm like, dude, you're not forced to trade it. It's the takeaway for the daily payouts. You can't just have like no payout caps, end of day drawdown, payouts on day one. You know, the firm will go bankrupt. Yeah, Josh, 100%. Like $250, you know, that's 2 weeks worth of groceries for me. You gotta put it in that perspective, you know what I'm saying? Small payouts add up. You know, hey, I get to eat for 2 weeks. Yeah, it's $97 right now with the Rapid accounts. They're pretty good. I like NQ. I don't trade ES. But other people trade ES and they do great. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just personal preference. Dude, NVIDIA, NQ, and ES look exactly the same on the chart. They look exactly the same. Not really, Tullian. The only thing is, if they're actually cheaper right now with MyFundedFutures. The only thing is the trailing drawdown. But on the trade day, the only thing I don't like is there's 3 funded accounts, 80-20 profit split, and you have to trade 5 days in the challenge with a 30% consistency rule. That's not the best. So I like trade day if you're like funded with a bunch of other firms. But I would go with MyFundedFutures first, in my personal opinion. John, down will just by itself. We're gonna work on challenges right here. Nice, beyond limits. Yeah, if you do better with ES, guys, yeah, 100%. It moves slower, but it moves bigger per point. Yeah, it moves $50 per mini per point, where NQ moves $20 per mini per point. But NQ moves faster, and NQ moves slower. I mean, ES moves slower. So it's like a pick your poison, I guess. Josh, generally 10 to 20 points on my stop losses. Yeah, generally around 10, 20 points. Recently, 20 points. Like, recently 15, 20 points because, yeah, it's moving very kind of quick. I'm not sure if MyFundedFutures got brought back to gold. I'm not sure if you could trade gold. I know a lot of firms got rid of that, the bigger ones, temporarily. Tullian, you're paying $122 with the TradeDay account, so you're paying the same price. You're basically paying the same price as the Rapid accounts, man. Yeah, they're $122 right now, because they only have a 30% off sale. They had a 40% off sale, which was like $100. But yeah, right now they only have 30% sale. TradeDay is still a good firm. Like I said, it depends on you and your personal preference, honestly. Yeah, Julian, it depends on you and your personal preference. That's why I like these firms. There's multiple options. Josh, probably like in like 15, 30 minutes we'll do the giveaway. You don't have to be in the giveaway. I mean, you don't have to be in the live stream to win. Yeah, Ivan. Yeah, they have also had the sale right now with the rapid accounts, $97. Money Dash, that would be nice. 20 accounts. Copy trading 20 funded accounts. Julian, yeah. No, Lucid's been popping off. They're a great firm. Yeah. Yeah, right now, look, we're not even coming back to the bottom of the range again. We're kind of just going to the halfway mark and popping right back up. I don't like that. This was a good range to the bottom because these are big moves, but now it's hesitating. We have a new 30-minute 10 seconds. Yeah, we're kind of just chilling right here. I don't know what we're doing. We're kind of just stagnant right now. We're being stagnant. Yeah, my Josh, yeah, they brought TradeC. I haven't used TradeC. I'm just gonna use Tradovate, honestly. But people say they like TradeC, but sometimes there's glitches, I think. I don't know. I haven't used it. Yep. Yeah, Echo Trader, yep. Ivan, yeah. That's literally 3 full weeks, man. But Ivan, see, if you started with like a 150K account, Ivan, and you get like a $2,000 payout, like we were saying, that will cover you a lot of time and money, man. Honestly. Think about your time, like $2,000 payout. That's a lot. That's a lot of your time back. That's 120 hours worth of work. That's a lot. That's literally 3 full weeks, 5 hours a day. 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. It's a full-time job. What was that? Tulian? Yeah, enter the giveaway, guys, right there. Fill out the form. Should be good to go. We'll do the giveaway soon. Giveaway soon. 1 entry per person. I'm deleting all the multiple entries so you get none. So there's literally no point. You're wasting both of our times. 18 entries is crazy work. Straight to the gulag, buddy. Out of here. Yeah, Ivan, you gotta put it in that perspective, man. Honestly, like I said, I got a $250 payout locked in. It doesn't sound like a lot, but like, hey, that's 2 weeks worth of food for me. I spend about $500 a month on groceries. So I'm like, you know what I'm saying? That's literally 2 weeks worth of food that I just made in like an hour. You gotta put it in that perspective. You know, $2,000 payout, right? Hey, I just saved myself 3 weeks worth of work full time of not driving Uber Eats. That's a lot. And then you could scale. You could have like 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts. And then, you know, the infinite possibilities. Yeah, beyond limits. Yeah, small numbers add up, guys. Small numbers add up. Bro, I posted on TikTok like a $189 payout. And people were like talking shit. They were literally like, break even, what payout is that? Oh my gosh, dude. This guy sucks. Am I bugging or did bro take $189? I don't know. Casinator's tripping. I'm like, what the heck? But then when I posted a $500 payout on TikTok, all of them didn't even respond and didn't respond back. Fucking scumbags. You guys, you gotta put it in perspective. It's unreal how realistic it is to make 10 grand a day trading. If you're not making 10 grand a day trading, you're not day trading. You're a fake day trader. That's so unrealistic, guys. Yes, it's possible. There's big dogs doing it out there, but let's be realistic here. $500 to $1,000 a day is a lot of money. That's a great paying job. Great paying job, guys. Are we really complaining over $1,000 a day, $500 a day? That's a great paying job. 100% Grizz. Yeah, they're all toxic little kids on there, I realize. Same with X. X is so freaking toxic. The second I log in on the X, I'm like already getting like toxicity vibes and mentally draining behavior. I'm like, oh my god. I'm like, so like TikTok, X is worse in my opinion. X is really bad. Then TikTok, both very toxic trading. Instagram's really chill. I've been posting more on Instagram, guys. I like Instagram, casinatortrades. And then YouTube, very chill. I like it. I hate all this toxic little kid crap. Yeah, it's just unrealistic to make 10 grand consistently every day. Is it possible? 100%. But like, let's be realistic here. Are we... You're going to blow a lot of accounts doing that. Georgina, if you fill out the form, it should be. I can't really check because there's like 100 people on there. Yeah, crypto, $300 a day, man. I mean, that guys, we're just thinking about like, you know, the small income, especially if you have a 9 to 5 still, and this is like a side income. Like that's income on top of your income, like a side hustle, guys. Like these stack up. Nian, yeah, I got an Apex hoodie and hat. Those were good days, man. Good days. I still have those. I got a Top Step hat. Eddie, yeah, no one wants to put in the work. They don't want to learn the time. And you know what's funny? All those kids talking shit about the $189 payout, I guarantee you, probably all of them haven't even got a payout. That's the funny part. That's literally the funny part, is most of them haven't even reached the payout yet, let alone actually traded. That's the sad, funny part. I don't know, 491. I'm not really into politics and the government stuff. I don't really like politics, honestly. I'm not a Democrat or a Republican, honestly. I don't like politics. I'm just, you know what I am, guys? I'm just in my own lane, focusing on myself, one day at a time. Those guys that like spend all day like talking and researching politics, and it's like, dude, buddy, like just trying to stack your bread up or something. I don't know. Like find something else better to do with your time. Like all they think about is like, oh, did you hear about it? Oh, blah blah blah. Oh, did you hear about the Epstein files? Blah blah. Like, dude, like, yeah, okay, cool, whatever. But like, dude, like, go start a, go do a hobby. Go start a side hustle or some shit. I don't know. M5, you gotta request a form to get the Payout Club hat, man. You gotta make a form. It's like a form you gotta fill out. When I filled out the form, it took like 3 months to get to me. But I got it. Yeah, you gotta fill out the form. Does Top Step have a 25K payout club? Cause I could be part of that. Yeah, Money Dash. That money adds up, man. Really. That's a lot of money. Yeah, you can make a lot. Guys, you can make full-time income with 5 accounts. 5 cash accounts. Dude, I want to trade on these damn challenges. I want to get these, like, working, but I don't see a trade. We're just bouncing right out the middle part right here. Yeah, guys, small numbers add up. Verin, the UFC White House card is kind of ass, honestly, if I'm being honest. Yeah, the Alex Pereira fights and the Ilya's fight is like, it's okay, but like, Verin, it's kind of like just a normal card. The UFC White House card is kind of like literally just a normal UFC card. Like, they were hyping it up so much, saying that there's going to be like 5 to 8 title fights. But they're just having a title fight with Ilya and Justin Gaethje, when the title fight should be, everyone wants Ilya versus Arman. That should be the main fight, and that fight should be happening. Arman and Ilya. Arman deserves it. Justin Gaethje, I love Justin Gaethje, but I'm like, dude, Arman kind of deserves it too. Alex Pereira for the heavyweight. If he wins that, dude, he could be a 3-time world champion, but it's an interim belt. It's an interim champion belt. I don't get the interim champion belt. So it's like, are you a champion or you're not? Like, yeah, you're a champion, but you're not like the champion. I don't get it. I don't get the interim champion belt. I don't get it. I really don't get it. It should be just a championship belt. I don't know. But yeah, they were hyping it up so much, but it's like, it's kind of mid if I'm being honest. It's literally just a normal UFC. I'm 100% going to watch it and I'm going to have a great time, but like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, Grizz, the range is getting tighter and grosser and sloppier. Guys, what a stream today. What a stream today. We had a lot going on today, guys. Hey, we got to pay out, though. We got to pay out. We got to pay out, guys. And we're doing a giveaway. And it's Friday. Verin, yeah. Guys, you see all the UFC fighters? They're all doing, like, wrestling and submission-only events now. They're all doing, like, wrestling. They're all doing side questing stuff, yeah. Verin. Pray for Gaethje. No, I think Gaethje's going to get knocked out. I love Gaethje. 100%. Great fighter. I love him. But if I'm putting money on it, I think Ilya's going to knock him out. That's why I think Ilya versus Arman is the fight. That's a real fight. Arman could definitely... He is a real contender with Ilya. Yeah, if you lose $100 a day, yeah. That's $500 a week. $2,000 a month. That's not bad. No, yeah, I like Gaethje, but like honestly, I think Ilya's gonna knock him out, honestly. If I'm being honest. If I were to bet on it, yeah. Where Arman has ground game. Ilya he's also really good at grounding, wrestling and all that, but like Arman, he trains with Hamzat. And Hamzat is freaking scary. That dude is freaking scary. Hamzat Shamaev? Oh no. Oh, if I see him, oh no. No. Nice to meet you, sir. But he's fighting Sean Strickland in May, guys. Sean Strickland is fighting Hamzat in May. That'll be a good fight. I honestly think Hamzat is gonna wrestle the crap out of him. Oh yeah, it's Friday the 13th, guys. Friday the 13th. Yeah, that's gonna be a good fight. I can't wait for that one. Sean Strickland versus a Hamzat. No, Hamzat's scary. I think he's undefeated too. Bro, that fight with Gilbert Burns was a crazy fight. That was one of the best fights of all time, man. Hamzat versus Gilbert Burns. They were just duking it out. My gosh. What is these candles? Alright, guys. Well, okay. Last chance for the giveaway is 1050. Last chance for the giveaway is 1050. Fill out the form. 1 entry per person. We'll spin it up on the wheel of spins. 5 winners. If you won earlier this week and you win again, sorry, but we're going to give it to someone else. So it's more fair and square. So, last chance to enter the giveaway, guys. We're ending at 1050. No, yeah, what I like about both Armand and Ilya is they're both rich. Like, Armand's dad is a multi-billionaire, but they still choose to fight. I think that's pretty cool. Like, they still choose to fight. Yeah, that would be, yeah, they're both rich guys. So that would be a great fight, honestly. I think that's the best fight. Really. Grizz, yeah, that was a very weird candle. Very weird candle. Red, 100%. If it was John Jones versus Alex Pereira, oh yeah, it's over. That's amazing. Amazing card. But against Circle Gain, I don't... And it's for an interim championship belt. It's not for the main belt. I don't get it. So, if Alex Pereira wins, does he mean then he's a 3-time world champion? Because he's a 2-time world champion, which few fighters got. And that's like a amazing accomplishment, but no one's been a 3-time world champion in the UFC. Like in 3 different weight classes ever. We might, Ivan, we might. Thank you, Nate, man. God bless you, bro. Wish you the best of luck with that account, man. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I really don't understand an interim championship belt. Alright, minus the duplicate entries, we have a little over 100. Right now we're at 122, but we have to delete a bunch of them because of the multiple entries. Yeah, look, guys, we're falling right back to the bottom of this range. Yeah, Varin, Dana White does not like Armand. But Armand is getting, like, a bunch of publicity and a lot of views. I like Armand. I think he's pretty cool. And when he wrestled that one dude, I don't know his name.
Order filled.
This is so sketch, but these are challenges. Guys, we've seen it break a new low and then just pop right back into the range. Working on challenges. This is sketch. Just looking to fall right back into range. We touched the lows numerous times and just fell right back up. So if this trade does work out, I think it's a great risk to reward. Yeah, you guys got a chance. You guys got a 5% chance of winning. Bounce. Bounce, 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 bounce. Yeah, we gotta get progress on these challenges. We gotta stop playing scared on them. Gotta make some progress. The reason I'm taking it long here, guys, is formed a range. And we took some nice shorts to the downside, and we got a payout. The reason I'm taking a bounce here is because, look, it bounced here numerous times, made a new low, then it fell right back in the range, moved up like 50, 70 points. So we're looking for a bounce. Desby, I want to say it's scum. It's definitely a great opportunity and risk to reward. If you're just blowing accounts left and right and not following the rules, then yeah, it's bad, obviously. But if you're disciplined and you follow the rules, it's a great return on your investment. Because most people don't have 5, 10 grand to start a live account to trade with. You know, but like 50, 100 bucks to get a 25k, 50k account.
Stop filled.
A lot of people got. It's very small loss. Very small loss. Only 12 points. Very small loss. It busted it through the low. That's why we had a tighter stop right there. Because if it did bust through the low, we don't want to be in that trade. Because it could be a big rip to the downside. So only 12-point loss. That's literally nothing. Okay, we have 137 people watching. If you guys want to enter the giveaway, I'll give you guys till 10 right here. Fill out that form. I'll give you guys till 10:53. 3 more minutes because we got a random 30 extra people watching. So thank you. I'm not complaining. But if you guys want to enter the giveaway, enter now. It's fill out that form. 1 entry per person. No duplicates. It will be deleted. 156 people. Guys, I notice when I'm in a trade, I get viewer spikes. I don't know. You guys notice that? Whenever I get in a trade, the viewer spikes up a lot. Hey, what's up, Alex? What's up, brother? Yeah, if you guys want to enter the giveaway, we're literally about to spin it very soon, like within like less than 10 minutes. I'll give you guys till 10:53 because we just got a bunch of new viewers coming in. What's up, Just Ain't Right? What's up, Nas Daily? Yeah, guys, the market makers are watching our stream. Yeah, they're watching our stream, guys. Yeah, they're hating on us, man. They're hating on Casinator, man. Alright, less than 2 minutes, guys. 10:53, we're cutting it off. No more entries. Only 1 entry per person. Tushar, the best microman. I didn't even notice you put the best microman. That's funny. The best microman. Yeah, someone put 18 freaking responses, man. Come on. That's crazy. 18. Yeah, guys, I think the market makers are watching our stream. Alright, we'll be right back. But enter the giveaway. I'll be back in 1 minute. Okay. No more entries. We're back. No more entries. Wait. Alright, no more entries. Let's go, guys. If you guys want the giveaway, like it up, subscribe. Use my affiliate code. We can keep doing these giveaways. Let's go. Alright. Bear with me. I gotta delete some of these entries here. But yes. Dubs in the chat if you guys want some more giveaways. You guys ready for the giveaway? Hold on. Bear with me. Oh yes, guys. Good Friday. We're fasting right now. All glory to God. Let's go. Hold on, bear with me. We're almost done. We gotta get rid of these bad actors here, buddy. We got another guy doing 3 entries, guys. Sorry. Guys, I can literally see you guys doing multiple entries. There is literally no reason to do it. You're just wasting most of our times. We'll spin it up very, very soon, like really quick. Hold up. See, guys, it just wasted time. I don't like doing these, deleting all this crap, so it just wastes time for everybody. And you don't get an entry. So it literally makes no sense. So, bear with me. We still have a few bad apples here. Look, it retested the bottom of the low right here. You guys see that? It retested the bottom right here. Look, break, retest. Break the previous low day, retest. Reject, 100 points. Let's go. Huh. If only it was that easy. Alright. I think we're good. Alright, you guys wanna... Yeah, God bless everyone. Sorry about the delay. Okay, you guys ready for the giveaway? I think we're good. Hold on. Put dubs in the chat if you guys want to see the giveaway. Dubs in the chat. 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 Dun, dun, dun. Okay, alright. Dubs in the chat. What the heck? Wait a second. Okay, I think we're good. What's going on? Dubs in the chat. Dubs in the chat. Hold on, guys. Hold on. This thing's acting weird. Oh, yes. I think we're good. Okay. Jeez. Sorry about that. See, guys. Sorry, guys. Sorry. See, this is what happens when we have bad actors. It takes a lot of time and everything, too. Okay. Are you guys ready? 5 winners. 5 winners. Let's shuffle it up. 5 winners, everybody. 5 winners. Dubs in the chat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We'll do 20-second spins. All right, first winner. Let's go. 5 free winners. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, everybody. Come on. Come on. Come on. We got 5 winners on Tuesday, 5 winners yesterday, and then 5 winners today. So congratulations to everybody. And thank you to shout out to MyFundedFutures, everybody, for giving us these free accounts. So appreciate y'all. First winner is Mira Libtree. Mira Libtree, so congratulations. God bless. So congratulations. Boom, right there. This is our first winner right here. Boom. Congratulations. If you guys are in the chat, and you won, yeah, comment it, like say thank you or whatever, so we know that you're in here. So yeah, that's our first winner. Congratulations. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Second winner, guys. Second winner. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Sebastian Lombardo. Boom. Sebastian, congratulations. Let's go. Congratulations. Boom. Come on. Let's go. Congratulations. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, guys. That's our second winner. Hey, Mira's in the chat. Let's go. Congratulations on winning. No problem, brother. Thank you for joining. Congratulations. Third winner. Third winner. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Johan M2. Johan M2. Congratulations. Boom. This is our third winner. We have 2 more winners. Boom. Let's go. Congratulations. Shuffle it up. Shuffle it up. Johan, congratulations. Congratulations, Mira. And congratulations, Sebastian. Hey, they're in the chat, so congratulations. You guys are getting free $100 accounts. These are $100 spins. Fourth winner, guys. Fourth winner. Fourth winner. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh. Oh, Tushar, you were so close. No, TM. TM is our fourth winner. Fourth winner, so shout out to TM. Tushar, you were so close, man. Oh, man, look, right here, Tushar. Oh, my gosh. Okay. Last and final spin, guys. Last and final spin. So congratulations to all the winners, and thank you guys for being honest and only doing 1 entry per person. And yeah, so God bless everyone. Let's shuffle it up, shuffle it up. One last and final winner, our 5th and final winner to end the live stream. So thank you for MyFundedFutures for giving me 15 free accounts to give away to you guys. So God bless them. Thank you guys. Use my code casinator with all the prop firms. It means a lot. We can keep doing the free live streams and more free giveaways monthly. Last month we gave away 8 free accounts. This month we already started off with 15 free accounts. So let's go. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Our last and final winner, guys. Last and final winner. Come on, come on, come on. Who's it gonna be? Oh. 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 Ooh. Stephen Yang 21. Stephen Yang 21. I think you were commenting before on our streams. Yeah, so boom. Our 5 winners right here. Boom. Congratulations. So we have Mira, Sebastian, Johan, TM, and Stephen Yang. Boom. Hey, Stephen Yang. Yeah, you're in the chat. Let's go. Boom. Congratulations to these 5 winners. God bless y'all. Happy Friday. Have a great weekend. And yeah, so God bless. 15 free accounts this week, guys. So shout out to MyFundedFutures, like I said. And yeah, so awesome. Yeah, congratulations, everyone. We'll get these accounts sent to the MyFundedFutures team. So hopefully you guys will get it soon. Yeah. Yeah, congratulations, everybody. No problem, everyone. No problem, no problem. Yeah, I'll send this out soon. So you guys, if you guys don't get it today, because it's a Friday, you guys will get it by like Sunday night or Monday morning. Sunday night or Monday morning if you don't get it today. So congratulations to these guys. Yeah, God bless everyone. Awesome. Let's go. Yeah, congratulations to the winner. We gave 15 free accounts this week, guys. That's like $1,500 to $1,800 in value for free. Crazy. Yep. Congratulations, everybody. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, God bless. Happy Friday. Yep. Yeah, Patak, you're really close, man. You guys are very close. You're very close, Patak. Guys, should we, do we keep trading? That's the real question. So, guys, pretty nice. We took some nice shorts on this one account. We made $895. Nice shorts to the downside. We cut a nice 50-point trade to the downside right here, and then a small trade right here. Nice trades. We're not going to be greedy. We got a $248 payout locked in. Yeah, we got a $248. 310. Yeah, $248 payout locked in. We're going to be disciplined. Just lock it in. And yeah. Yeah, 5%ers, guys. 5%ers. Yeah, honestly, I don't think there's a reason to force it trade on these. It's moving pretty slow. So yeah. So God bless everyone. Thank you all for watching. Have a great, blessed, amazing weekend. Very interesting stream today. But yeah. So appreciate y'all for watching as always. And I'll see you guys Monday on stream. And yeah, everyone have a blessed, amazing weekend. Congratulations to the winners. We gave 15 free accounts this week, so pretty nice. And yeah, so God bless everyone. Have a great, amazing weekend. Have a great rest of your day. And peace out. Much love. And have a great weekend. So we're going to end it right here. We got groceries for 2 weeks. Let's go. So we're going to end it on a good note. So God bless everyone. Have a great weekend. I'll see you guys on live stream on Monday morning. So